Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Concerns in St. Elizabeth this evening that a number of Jamaica Eye CCTV cameras in major towns across the parish have been out of use for several months. This follows a recent stabbing in Santa Cruz that happened just below a camera that's said to be malfunctioning. Amoy Harriet reports.
The mother of 28-year-old Shamar Bryan trying to find comfort amidst the grief she's grappling with. Her son, a higgler from Toy Spence St. Catherine, was stabbed to death while selling his products on the streets of Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth on Saturday.
Originally, Mrs. said I'm Pen, but like the Christmas season come down, with a venture got different parishes.
The details surrounding the incident are unclear. It's why his family journeyed from St. Catherine to St. Elizabeth seeking answers.
I'm looking for my child coming back from market, come home. And when I get the news, I hear that my son is died. I cannot explain. Yes, I cannot explain. The picnic and a thief man are by my igla. If what in parish him know. And that he know and living is selling.
This remind me of when he born. I was the first one who really go and see mother have him at home. And it just heartbroken to know that somebody who is not a criminal element just lost them life so sadly.
This was the spot where Mr. Bryan was stabbed. His blood still stains the pavement. Now directly above the crime scene is a Jamaica Eye CCTV camera. But here's the problem. The camera isn't working. And as we found out, it's not the only one. Our news team contacted Senior Director with responsibility for major technology transformation within the Ministry of Security, Emil Holgate, whose portfolio Jamaica Eye falls under. But he did not provide a response. Residents in the parish are appealing to the authorities to urgently fix the surveillance system. That aside, there were in fact some other cameras at the crime scene that were working. Phone cameras of witnesses who saw Mr. Bryan bleeding on the ground just moments after he was stabbed. In a video obtained by our newsroom, the injured man can be seen sitting on the pavement appealing to the onlookers for help. Instead, they were more focused on capturing his demise.
But it's sad to know how the country gone that somebody get hurt and a lot of people surround that person. You know the person is an ignorant. I think he has his goods there and nobody to render assistance in the middle of a town. Everybody was just videoing and it's just sad to know that Jamaica just gone to the dog.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
Tourism Minister